Greetings, greetings, my digital debutantes. We're back with this outlier graph that we had started before because I want to show you a different way of representing an outlier, a different way to present this information visually. So whereas before we were able to represent our data in a fairly nice and colorful bar graph, we can also map this particular data, and we know that because if we look over here under the dimensions where it says location zip, we had noticed and alluded to earlier that it had a globe icon next to it. And what that means is that Tableau is able to take that information and put it on a map. The quickest and easiest way to accomplish this is to come up into the upper right hand corner where you see this and it says show me, and if we click it, it's going to open up a menu and we get all sorts of options on how we can represent this data, and I encourage you to play around in here and see what you can come up with. But the one that we want is a filled map, which is right here. When we click it, Tableau is going to calculate where these positions are. You can see it's computing view layout, and sure enough, now it's represented that crime data visually by zip code. The default map in Tableau is not very robust. I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and you can see that if you were not aware that this is in fact the city of Austin, it would be pretty hard to determine that. So there are different maps that we can import and link to Tableau, and I'm going to show you very quickly how to do that as well. My personal recommendation is a website called MapBox, and if you go there, you're able to sign up for an account. It's free, and when you come here and you click on yourself and you load up your studio page, you're going to get all sorts of information, but one of the pieces of information that's going to be useful to you is this access token right here, and that's going to allow your MapBox account to be linked with your Tableau account, and you're going to have access to a slew of different maps in order to map out your data. So I'm going to copy this right here. I could just actually click the clipboard next to it and it says it's copied. I'm going to go back to Tableau. And up at the upper menu portion of the program, you're going to see where it says map. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to go to background maps, and then I'm going to select map services. So that menu option will bring up this map services dialog box right here. And I'm going to go down and I'm going to click add a map service. And you'll notice that MapBox Maps is already there. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to select Classic because I'm going to use one of their preset maps. Up top, I'm going to give the style a name. I'm just going to say Austin Crime. And I need to paste in the API access token that I grabbed from my account page on MapBox earlier. And I'm going to select a preset style right here. I want something with a high contrast, so I'm going to select high contrast. Go figure. And when I do that, you'll notice that instantly my map changed, and it's very easy to now see the regions of town and the highways. And you can see right here, there is our 78741. And this is just kind of a nifty way to present outlier data, but in a more visual map-based form instead of just a bar graph. And both are valid to use in your TEDx kind of talk. So, this is Eric, your course coordinator for OnRamp's Computer Science 302, signing out until next time.